just showing you what we're able to do in the bat house here. We had this whole entire area tarped off for runoff because there's no, and the plants on the side, because there's no gutters on this this house. We were able to spray this whole front edge, this whole side edge. I'm gonna walk you down here, and this lower part on the back here, we were able to get it as well. So here's one of the secondary problem is on the peak corner of this roof. You'll notice that it's dark right here, and that it's speckled, and I thought that was mold. That's not mold. That is some type of bat feces that's seeping out of the roof. But this right here is the upper roof's biggest problem. That is a hole directly into the roof. So they've picked away at that. And as you can see, it goes right up into the roof itself. Here, I'll pull back here. I'll try to go up. I got the plants. They all came out. I cleaned out the downspout. There's still stains on here. You can see where the mold used to be, and it created rings on there, so that needs to be repainted. That's just something that needs to happen. Suggestion, put gutters on this house after all the little creatures get dismissed. But here, I will show you. The uninvited house guests are still with us for the most part. They're not happy with me. And so here's one of the uninvited house guests. Maybe use this for identification. He's wet and unhappy. So maybe this will work for identification for the trappers. And then as you can see, they're like literally waiting for me to climb the ladder. These are the little defenders, the ones that are on post. They were unhappy with me. I gotta be careful where I walk because there's a whole bunch that came down on the ground. Yeah, here's the second one. That's the third one. Second one is there. The third one is right there. So I was not able to get this edge here. I got all the front. There are still some stains that I couldn't get. I noticed that these guys were coming out. I gotta be careful where I walk. This guy, he's not happy.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Yeah. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.